પરિવાર એવું હોય કે જ્યાં દરેકને ફરીવાર જવાનું મન થાય. આજે જીતુભાઈ અને સેજલબેનને અમને એવી અણમોલ ભેટ આપી છે કે જેનાથી નજીક તથા દૂરના સર્વેને અમારા ઘરે વારંવાર આવવાનું ગમશે. ઘરમાં જીવંતતા આવશે. જીતુભાઈ, કિરીટભાઈ, સેજલબેન અને સોનલબેનને કહેવા માગીશ કે આ માત્ર બે સોલનું મિલન નથી, પણ આપણા બંને પરિવારનું સુભગ મિલન છે. આજે અવની અમારી દીકરી થઈ છે તો પ્રેમલ આપનો દીકરો થયો છે.
This is very special because all of you are here, so we really appreciate for that one also, and I hope you have wonderful time.
Welcome and Jai Swaminarayan, everyone. Hope you're having a fun night.
Avani, it's crazy to think this time has arrived. I'm so lucky to be able to call you my childhood friend. What a roller coaster life has been together, and it definitely doesn't end here.
Well, I want everybody to please stand. Everybody stand at your feet. Stand at your feet. Everybody stand up. Stand up. And let's welcome the bride and groom to be.
I can see the fear on your face. ये डर होना चाहिए. આપણે બધાના લગ્નમાં હોય ને એક ભાઈબંધ ઊભો થાય, ના ના તું નહીં, તું બેસ, તેરે કો બહુત પતા હૈ, मैं हूँ वो दोस्त.
Going on this journey of you becoming a bride has been so amazing, and I'm honored to have been there by your side for all of it. To you and Premal Jiju, I wish you the most happiest marriage. Jiju, you already know this, but Avani has the sweetest, most gentlest heart, so take care of her always.
The moral of this was, every guy before marriage thinks they're a macho man. ઊંચું, I can do everything, I can do anything. એમને એવું હોય કે લગ્ન પછી બી કશું જ ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. તારે બી છે? સાચું કહી દે, 20 નહીં, હજી ઊભો છું તારી જોડે.
अधूरा कोई वादा सा हुआ जो पहले कुछ कम था दीवाना.
મહાન સ્વામી મહારાજ કહે છે કે દરેક પતિએ શ્રેષ્ઠ પતિ બનવા ટ્રાય કરવો જોઈએ અને દરેક પત્નીએ શ્રેષ્ઠ પત્ની બનવા પ્રયત્ન કરવો જોઈએ. ભગવાન સ્વામિનારાયણ અને મહાન સ્વામી મહારાજના ચરણોમાં પ્રાર્થના અને અમારા આશીર્વાદ તે બંને જણા શ્રેષ્ઠ પતિ અને શ્રેષ્ઠ પત્ની બની ભગવાનનો રાજીપો પ્રાપ્ત કરે.
Avani and I have fought, cried, yelled, clawed, screamed, but most importantly laughed through everything. However, the most special part was that I got to grow up with Avani and see her almost every single week. Maharaj and Swami truly gave me, Nikki, and Amy the sister we never had, and we're forever grateful for that.
Wow, it's been a long time, but I can't believe this is actually happening before my eyes. Premal, you're a lucky man.
Avani is the kind of person who walks into the room and somehow it feels warmer. Not just that, but she's glowing today. Doesn't she look good? Sari lage chhe? But it's also because her heart is made out of gold. She is the most loving, thoughtful, selfless person in the room, and she's always there.
हर मोड़ का कोई मकाम नहीं होता, दिल से दिल के रिश्तों का कोई नाम नहीं होता. चिरागों की रोशनी में ढूंढा है आपको, क्योंकि तेरे जैसा यार का मिलना आसान नहीं होता.
आज से तेरी
Avani, we will always be a call away. Premal Jiju, this one's for you. If we ever see Avani cry, we know where you live. We wish you guys a happy married life and a future filled with love and laughter. We love you guys.
She's that place you can go to where you can express yourself in any way and share anything and still be able to be the man that you hope to be. I wish you guys a very happy married life. And tonight's going to be a great night, so let's start having some fun.
Oh my god, Avani, you look so gorgeous. I love you, Avani.
Love you too. Avani, we really love you. We had only one wish. We should have only one daughter, and that's you, right? So Maharaj and Swami fulfill our wish.
रंग सावला सलोना जापे पूरी पूरी हीर जब से चले नहीं हो जाते ओदे अखियां दे तीर मारे आए अखियां दे तीर मारे रंग सावला सलोना जापे पूरी पूरी हीर जब से चले नहीं हो जाते ओदे अखियां दे तीर ओदी उम्र ये बाली बड़ी तोर निराली ओदी उम्र ये बाली बड़ी तोर निराली कुड़ी नग मुंदरी दा जाप दियो दिल लगी कुड़ियो दिल लगी कुड़ी गुजरात दी दिल लगी कुड़ी गुजरात दी दिल लगी दिल लगी दिल लगी दिल लगी रब्बा ने तुझको
Thank you all very much for coming to this wonderful occasion of Avni's and my wedding, our wedding. Thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure to have all of you guys here. A few years ago, I asked my guru, Manswai Maharaj, what should I look for in the ideal spouse? There are 4 S's. Someone who is satsangi, sevabhavi, samju, and can understand not only each other, but also she can understand my parents and I can understand her parents. And I am truly thankful I've found her. She's 1 in a trillion, and I've found the one. Avani, you don't know how special I feel today. I love you so much.
Newly wedded couple are ready to seek all the blessings from everybody present here. આપણે સૌ હાથ ઊંચા કરીને બંનેને ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ આપીએ કે એમનું જીવન સુખમય બને, શાંતિમય બને અને મહારાજ અને સ્વામીનો રાજીપો મેળવી શકે એવું જીવન બને એવા આશીર્વાદ બંનેને આપણે સૌ હૃદયપૂર્વક આપીશું.
Most importantly, thanks to Maharaj and Swami for guiding us all the way here.
સર્વેને સ્નેહ ભર્યા જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. સૌ પ્રથમ તો ભગવાન સ્વામિનારાયણ, ગુરુ હરિ પ્રમુખ સ્વામી મહારાજ અને પ્રગટ ગુરુ હરિ મહંત સ્વામી મહારાજનો અંતઃકરણથી અનંત આભાર વ્યક્ત કરું છું.
And now, help me welcome with a thunderous round of applause your newlywed Avani and Premal.
Avani, as you already know, Premal is probably one of the most grounded people I've ever met in my life. He will keep you safe, he's grounded, he will keep you stable, and he will help you overcome any challenge that comes in your life. And he will stay as a true husband should.
Avani, you look absolutely stunning. Jiju, well,
you're here, and we love you for that. Avani, I'll definitely be missing our ice cream dates, but I'll definitely see you around. I will make a trip for you. In all seriousness, watching you two together is like watching a romantic comedy movie, equal parts heartwarming and mildly chaotic. But here's to a marriage life full of love and laughter. Cheers to the couple. The evening has just started.
Yo, G-Funk, the flame's about to drop,